Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki MLA ka Liang Synshar ki bagantop ki MLA na rilum khasi ba rilum garo. Kila Pyrshah ka Wanrah u Dr. Mukul sangma unong yalam ka Liang Pyrshah. Halor kamat ban Shimrai da ka Ying dorbar ban kerpat da ka Sorkar jela ban Pejbnya ban Pynlong no ka winter capital Tura. Ki MLA na rilum garo ki loong ba ka winter capital kalong ka badan kam Hendrei Kim Tre ban Krishan pat ya ka resolution balawan ra da u Dr. Mukul sangma. Kilaong bali u Dr. Mukul sangma umle hakapor ba ulang menteri rangba hadu hanyosnam bali Ukraine benta ya kaniga winter capital Tura. U MLA jong ka umsning constituency u Dr. Celestine Lingdo ula Pyrshah ka Wanrah resolution unong yalam ka Liang Pyrshah u Dr. Mukul sangma hakador bar mang tingka mendakasngi halor ban Pynlong ya kanong ba Tura harilum garo kum ka winter capital lani kanong ba telang jong ka jela. U Dr. Mukul sangma Wanrah ya kaniga resolution ula ong balada ya ka cabinet meeting lala ban Pynlong hakibai pat ki jaka jong ka jela kumta kamlong ka bae ban Pynlong ru ya ka dorbar harilum garo da kani kala ban argument toy ki pat ba nong shnong karilum garo bat ling ba kani kin yo shibun ki kampen rai halor ka resolution balawan ra du Dr. Mukul sangma u Dr. Celestine uloong bakarilum garo kala dap kiu hakaliang karoi kapar bat ka jingtmu ya kani kam yahap namar ka jela Meghalaya ka di ka jela ka barit ban ya nujor bat ki pat ki jela uloong ru balada Pynlong ya ka Tura kum ka winter capital kandon shibun ke jinglot jingsap hakaliang ki jingtei nalor ba ke jela Meghalaya ka di ke jela ka baduk ke bawan hak kedan ba shadin do hakaliang ka yok ka kot kumta uloong ba ya ka pisa ka balatmu na ka benda ka winter capital la ban yok banan kamno hakaliang ka puli puthi lanishna pen bha ya ki jaka puli bat kiwei ngimdei ban ak rius pa habang idang duk ula benrap.
I rise to take part on this resolution. It is very difficult to say at the start whether I support or I don't support the resolution. But at the end of my speech, it will be very clear. The resolution brought by Honorable Leader of Opposition, as already stated, different states demanding different headquarters or winter capitals. Meghalaya is not the first one. There are already existing states like Himachal Pradesh having their winter capital in Shimla and their summer capital in Dharamsala. So also Jammu and Kashmir, their winter capital is Jammu and Srinagar, their winter capital. So also Maharashtra and the others. But what is the difference between us in Meghalaya and the other states? As the mover of the resolution himself has mentioned, Meghalaya is a very small state, sir. Compare our size with Maharashtra. Compare our size with Jammu and Kashmir. I think there is a lot of difference in the size and topography of the states. Now, when I read at the resolution in the middle paragraph, second paragraph, and whereas the hopes and aspirations of the people of western part of the state, comprising of the 5 districts of Garo Hills, generated the felt need of creation of winter capital at Tura for ensuring equitable and inclusive development of the region as a whole, which is in sync with the dreams and desires of our forefathers, leaders of the state, with the shared objective of creating a sense of oneness among the 3 major tribes of the state. Mr. Speaker, sir, we live in an age and era of information technology. Now, as I speak, live telecast is going on. The demand for separate capital in winter in a different location, in summer in a different location, that feeling of not receiving equitable development, I think all these are all misconceptions. The battle in the towns and villages is the battle of narratives. I think it will not be wrong for me to mention here that If you ask people in Khasi and Jaintia Hills, they will say all the development has been taken to Garo Hills. And if you go to Garo Hills, the same thing will be happening. All development has been taken to Khasi and Jaintia Hills. So, what is our role? I think it is incumbent on each and every member of this House that we should clarify this to our general population. Yesterday in the budget speech, the Honorable Chief Minister has declared a new Chief Minister scholarship scheme. Will it be inclusive for all the tribes? Absolutely yes. That scholarship will be for every student of the state of Meghalaya, irrespective of the tribes. Is development being equitable so far? In an age where we have an act called the RTI Act, the allegations that a particular region of the state is not receiving enough funds or developments while the others are receiving, that is absolutely wrong. Anyone who has an iota of doubt that his region has been denied development can always file RTI to get the information that they want. So, sir, looking at the conditions that our state is in, I do not say that we are in a very bad shape. But should we follow the other states that have a lot of big gross state domestic product in the state? We are a poor state. If you check or Google what is the rank of Meghalaya in terms of poverty index, I think we are, if not at the bottom, we are third or fourth bottom. If we check about our status in terms of education, that also we are at the bottom. Now, when we talk about the winter capital in Tura, I am not against it. But if we have to do that, there will be a lot of infrastructure investment that will have to be done. The question that each one of us will have to ask is, will we utilize that fund to create more infrastructure just because our people want it, or will we decide to use the funds properly? The same funds that we plan to spend for a winter capital can be used for improving education, improve the infrastructure of our different government schools. We can improve our health, and so on and so forth. So at the present juncture, Mr. Speaker, sir, I feel, okay, having a committee to study this, there's no harm in it. But then giving a timeline or supporting that it has to be done at this juncture, I feel it is keeping the priorities at the wrong direction. From my point of view, I feel that this narrative that development is not equally distributed, that has to be cleared among the minds of our people. So having stated these few points, sir, I know there will be many speakers. I feel we cannot take up this resolution right now. I know many of our friends from Garo Hills will be hard-pressed not to say no against this resolution. It is very, very difficult for them to say no. But then consider the financial situation that we are in. we cannot act rich when we are poor. We cannot act developed when we are underdeveloped. So I appeal that everyone will understand this. Every member will take responsibility that whatever has happened in the past so many years, we are grateful to our forefathers who have created this state. Yes, I agree with the leader of opposition. If our Garo friends had fought it alone for a Garo state, will they achieve it? I doubt. If the Khasi tribe fought alone, will they get a separate state? I doubt. But now that we are one, let us work in such a way that our general population in all the regions and corners of the state feel as one, and the administration that is being done from Shillong, if need be, maybe we can improve it by developing the digital infrastructure. I'm not an expert on IT, but I think there are many services that can be made available online where each and every member and citizen of the state can feel that, yes, I can access the information, I can reach the help that I need and require. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, at this juncture, I do not support this resolution. Let us work together to bring friendship, unity among our different tribes within the state, that yes, our wealth is being equally distributed, our opportunities for jobs and all the other aspects in economic activities is being equally done for all corners of the state. Thank you, Mr.